Grasshopper. He's going to help me today. This one's got some of the clear coat coming off. And I noticed on this fender, it's plastic, but over the wheel well I had dripped some Goo Gone or some kind of chemical on it whenever I was taking these stripes off, and it kind of left a stain in the paint. And I noticed when I did the Red Max Pro, it covered that up pretty good. So I was going to see what I'll do with this spot here. Just kind of keep your rag wet. And you just put it on. This is the generator bay, so it may have a lot of heat from behind it too. That may be why that clear coat's coming off. I think it's going to cover it up some. Second coat on that spot. Okay, we'll let that dry.